Welcome to the grand finale of our Phuket journey. In part 3, we return to the mainland to uncover its highest peaks, compassionate heart, and electrifying nightlife. We begin at Karen Viewpoint, where one of the island's most famous panoramas unfolds, showcasing the stunning succession of 3 beautiful beaches. Next, we ascend Khao Rang Hill, a favorite spot for locals, offering a peaceful bird's-eye view of Phuket town itself. A truly special experience awaits as we visit an ethical elephant sanctuary, a place of rehabilitation and respect for these gentle giants. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. As daylight fades, Phuket transforms, revealing an entirely different but equally enchanting side of its personality. We dive into the evening at Chilva Market, a trendy modern market known for its bohemian vibe and local artisanal goods. For the ultimate market experience, we head to the Naka Weekend Market, the largest on the island and a treasure trove for shoppers. But the real star of the markets is the food. An incredible array of flavors, from sweet to savory, awaits at every corner. Now for the pulse of Phuket's nightlife. We're heading to Patong's famous Bangla Road as it awakens for the night. The energy here is infectious, a pedestrian paradise of sound, light, and people from all walks of life celebrating the night. Dozens of bars feature live bands playing everything from rock classics to reggae, providing the perfect soundtrack to the evening. Phuket is also famous for its spectacular cabaret shows, dazzling audiences with glamorous costumes and incredible choreography. After the energy and excitement, we find a moment of peace, reflecting on the journey by the calm, moonlit sea. From the historic streets of Old Town to the breathtaking cliffs of Phang Nga Bay and the vibrant pulse of the nightlife, our Phuket adventure has been one for the ages. Thank you for joining us on this incredible 3-part journey through one of the world's most amazing destinations. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We can't wait to see you on our next adventure.